Whether you're selling physical products, subscription licenses, or digital services like software or courses, this video is your perfect starting point. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your online store with FluentCart, manage your products, track your orders, and keep everything running smoothly, all from your WordPress dashboard. No more struggle with complicated store setups and slow checkout. All right, let's do it. First of all, we need to install FluentCart, the core of store setup. So open the WordPress dashboard, then go to Add Plugin section. In the search box, type FluentCart, and you'll see it pop up right up. So let's hit Install now. It only takes a couple of seconds. And now I'll click Activate. And there you go. FluentCart is now a part of your site. Now let's move on to what's next. So right after activation, FluentCart welcomes you with a simple onboarding flow. First, select the country where your store operates. Then name your store, something that matches your style or niche. Okay, next, set your currency. FluentCart supports all major currencies around the globe. All right, now it's time to upload a brand logo for your shop. So here, FluentCart can help you set up your essential store pages like checkout, cart, shop, etc. So for that, let's press the magic button right at the top. So in a few seconds, all your store pages are created and linked automatically. If you already have them, you can select them manually. So with the pages set up, the last step is adding products to your store. You can either start from scratch or let FluentCart generate some dummy products to test things out before going live. Let's go with the sample menswear. Now save the settings, and that's it. Onboarding is complete. And it's time to have a quick tour of the FluentCart dashboard. Since we just finished the onboarding setup, you'll notice our orders, revenue, and refunds are all at 0 for now. So it's totally normal for a fresh store. But if you look closely, those dummy products we created earlier are already listed and ready to explore. So just below that, there's a really nice sales growth chart that gives you a quick snapshot of your store's performance over time. You'll also find sections for recent orders, another for top-selling products, and one of my favorites, the order heat map, which visually shows locations of higher order volume. Okay, so on the top right, there's an onboarding checklist. It's a handy guide to complete your setup step by step. There's also a quick access to recent activities with multiple built-in options. The navigation here feels incredibly fast and responsive. Switching between tabs is super smooth and snappy. Now, let's open up one of those dummy products we added earlier. So here I can see the product title, a short description displayed beside the product on the front end, and the long description that lets you go deep into the details or specifications. You can also see the publishing details and media files relevant to this product. Let's quickly preview it to see how it looks. And at the top, you can see the pages I have generated while setting up. If I tap on the shop, I can see all the products I have in my store right now, and customers can order them. But we have one important thing to set up: the payments and shipping before placing any order. So let's jump back to the front end and get those configured real quick. So inside the FluentCart settings, I can clearly see the payment settings tab. So let's click it. Here we have Stripe, PayPal, and other gateways, but for this quick setup, let's enable the cash on delivery option. It's simple, practical, and perfect for testing before going live. Now, let's handle shipping. I'll go to the shipping zone and give it a name like Nationwide Delivery and select my country. Then hit save. After that, we'll add a shipping method. Let's call it Standard Shipping. Leave the state field blank so it applies everywhere in the country. Then, select free shipping as a method type to keep things simple for now. Click Save Changes, and we're good to go. Now, my store is ready to accept orders and deliver anywhere in the country. Let's go ahead and test how it looks on the front end. Okay, so here's our storefront. It's pretty basic and straightforward for now, but you can customize it though. All right, let's make a test order. Here you go. Choose items. Let's add this one to the cart. And it's checkout time. Okay, moving to the payments. And done. Order placed. Now, let's check it in the backend. It's already updated in the order page, real quick. So that's it. We've come a long way. We started from scratch, built our store, and even made an order. All that without spending a single cent with FluentCart. And FYI, that's not all. There are lots of other features available to rock your e-commerce store. Browse it and test it on your own. So why wait? If you've been dreaming about launching your own store, now's the time. Grab FluentCart and start building today.